Okay. So let's see. So they have the spreadsheet to download. Let's see, where is it? It's up here somewhere. Oh gosh, we need 2 of them. Then go back down. Which one are they talking about? Right here. An ANOVA hypothesis test equivalent to conducting an independent 2-sample t-tests between every pair of samples. If there are 3 samples, there are 3 pairs. Well, how many pairs are there when there are 4 samples? What? Okay, it says if there are 3 samples, there are 3 pairs. How many pairs
So if you look,
are there?
So there's 3 pairs because you can pair numbers 1 and 2 together, numbers 1 and 3 together, and then numbers 2 and 3 together. So there's 3 different combinations.
Oh.
And so how many combinations of 2 can you make with 4? So you can make.
Gotcha.
You make 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4.
Let's see, 2 and 1, 2 and 3, 2 and 4. Let's see if I can write it down. Keep track of it. So we got 1 and 2, 1 and 3, and 4, 2 and 1, 2 and 3, 2 and 4.
I think it's 6. They don't repeat. You know, they don't have 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3. It's just 1, 2, 1, 3,
Yeah.
2, 3. And so I think the answer would be 6 because you got 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4.
Okay.
So if you want to put 6 for that one. Then I got the next bunch right. And so if you want to get ready to type these numbers in.
Okay, yeah, I'm ready. So for number 8.
For 8, it's 27.208.
Yep.
9, 53.158.
53.158.
Yeah. 10
Okay.
is true. 11 is true.
All right.
12 is 0.309.
Mm-hmm.
13 is right.
Yes.
And then 14 I got wrong. I put the second answer. The assumptions have not been met. While it's safe to assume. So I don't know for that one. And then I also got 15 wrong, 16 wrong. They're all multiple choice. I did get 17 though.
Okay.
Which is 0.179. And I got 18. 18 is the second option. We do not have sufficient evidence to reject the claim.
Alrighty. So see 14.
15 and 16, we should have it.
Okay. So I'll go ahead and like create like a Q plot or something with the data in here. Let's see, how do they want us to set it up? Research statistical reports analyzed 3 types of hot dogs, namely beef, poultry, and meat. For each of the 54 hot dogs analyzed, they recorded the type, the calories, and the sodium level. The data is available. We'll use the data to answer the following questions. Let's examine the calories first. Let's check the for each of the 3 types of hot dogs. Compare the variance to determine if the assumptions to use ANOVA have been met. Okay. Okay. insert. All right. The assumptions to use the qplot. I mean, to run an ANOVA test. Okay, the qplot is kind of like the. Let's see, there's actually a chart that's called the qplot, but so far I'm not finding it. It's like a scatter plot. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Let's see, the assumptions though to do that, to run a ANOVA test. See, the requirements are the data need to be normally distributed, and the variances are equal for each group. Oh, whoa. Remember that other one that says the variances are equal for each group? Further up on the questions, I think that's one of our answers right there. So let's see, which one was that?
Oh, no.
There was another multiple choice one further up. Oh, no, that's sample size. Never mind, sorry. Okay. Anyway, so for 14, let's examine the construct. Okay, so yeah, so we do need to look at the QQ plot of the calories, and I'm not finding the QQ plot right now with the charts. Find that.
Oh, wow.
If we could just find that, then we could look at it and make a decision based on that.
QQ plot. Yeah, I don't know where that is.
No, they have it. Okay, so what I'll do real quick is jump back to one of the previous lessons that I know they cover that and look at that real quick.
Okay, yeah, go for it.
Because I'm looking at the lesson 14 thing, and they list the requirements to run an ANOVA test. So once we find how to actually like insert the QQ plot, it'd be easy to like answer the rest of the questions.
Okay. Awesome, that'd be great.
So, okay, let's see. Okay. Excel. Oh, well, okay, so remember the quantitative description statistics file or spreadsheet?
Yeah.
Copy and paste the data into that, then they'll automatically run it into the QQ plot for us.
Okay, awesome. Do you want to do that real fast? I'm trying to figure out
Sure.
15 and 16.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's see, where is it? Okay, almost there. right. Okay, I'm looking at it, and it's totally not like it's all over the place. It is not normally distributed at all, at least for the calories. So for question 14.
Okay.
So I'm pretty sure it has not been met. So what's the other not been met?
The bottom
two
two.
others.
Yeah.
But if the assumptions are not met, it's safe to assume that each group comes from a normally distributed population, but the variance is equal. No, the assumption has not been met.
So do you say it's, will you assume it's the bottom one?
Yeah, that makes sense to me.
Okay, let's go with that for right now. So we can submit this soon and then kind of go through and see which ones we missed.
Okay.
I think for 15, I think it's either A or C.
Mm-hmm.
The p-value was really small. Oh yeah, I guess that's even part of the problem. So with the p-value being so small, would we assume that it's A, that we have sufficient evidence that the null hypothesis is correct?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, let's go with that. If not, then we'll try C.
Yeah.
And then 16, I honestly don't know. It's asking about the QQ plot.
Okay, I'll
So
write that in.
if you just want to, for 16, just put a random one. I mean, I'm assuming it's probably one of the bottom ones.
Yeah, it doesn't look very orderly either. It looks almost like the other one.
Yeah. So let's just go ahead and choose one of the bottom ones, and then whichever one it's not, we'll go with that one.
Okay, I'm going to go with the
Last
very
one.
bottom one again.
Okay, and then 17 and 18, do you have those?
Yeah.
Okay,
All right,
awesome.
I'm going to submit. Here we go. Yes. Submit. Okay, so let's see. What was one at the top we didn't get right the first time? Oh, correct. I'll just tell you which one's not right. Okay, so question 14 was wrong. So it's not the bottom one. Oh, dang it. That sucks. So all three of them were wrong, 14 through 16.
Oh my gosh.
Man.
Okay, well, make sure you keep those. Were we right on everything else?
Yeah, everything else is good.
So what's the score at the end?
The score is 85%. So we could do a little bit better
Yeah.
by lot, you know?
Yeah. So
So it's just
I'll
two.
go ahead and
It's
open up.
Okay. So I'm just going to track the ones that it wasn't. So it's not the bottom for 14. It's not the top 15. It's not the bottom for 16.
Okay, yeah, let me open up a new one.
They should just have like a retry button right here, so we don't
I
have to go
know.
back.
You'd think 3.0 would have that.
Seriously.
Okay. So would you mind reading them off for me?
Sure.
So 3 is true.
Yes.
4 is the last two.
Yep. And then
QQ plot.
5 is, yeah, QQ plot, the bottom.
Okay. 6.
And then this number 2, the largest variance is less than 4 times. So that was the one we got.
Nice. And then was 7, 6.
Yes.
8.
And then 27.208 for 8.
Okay. 9.
158. And then 10 is true. 11 is also true. 12 was 0.309. 13 is right.
Okay, so
And then 14, 1.
so it's not the bottom one, and it's not the second one.
Second one.
And so should we go with C?
That's what I'm thinking. I mean, because yeah,
Yeah, let's do
I'm thinking
C.
the assumptions have not been met. Unless I just totally don't know how to read a QQ plot.
I'm fine doing that. And then 15. So it's not the second one, and you did the last one.
The very last ones? Yeah.
So
Okay. So,
wait, which one did you do for 15?
oh, for 15, I did the top one.
Okay,
And that was one.
I'm gonna try C. And then 16, you did the bottom one.
I did, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try
So I
C
think
for that one
there
too. Okay, and then 18 is B. Okay, I'll submit this and we'll see what happens.
Do you remember the answer to 17? 0.179?
Yeah, 0.179, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
Awesome. Okay, we'll see what happens.
Alrighty.
Man, we missed 14.
Seriously?
We missed 14 and 15. We did get 16.
If 16, wow, that doesn't make any sense. 16 and 14 were like the same, it looked like, but okay.
So I guess 14 would be A. Do you have your quiz pulled up? I just need to take off here in a minute and get to.
No, don't worry about it. It's fine. Yeah, I got it. So.
Okay, awesome. Well, thanks, Daniel, and I guess we'll plan on meeting tomorrow.
Yeah, let's do tomorrow. What time do you want to do 10 again?
Yeah, let's do 10 tomorrow.
Okay, cool.
Okay,
Good luck
awesome. Thanks, Daniel.
Okay, have a good one.